everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to continue again to answer this problem, part 3, grade 7. We are now in number 7 problem. Marla is 20 years older than Raul. In 6 years, Marla age will be twice Raul age now. How old are they 6 years from now? If we're going to determine the problem or analyze the problem is asking for the future years. And our solution now is representation. Let x be the present age of Raul, x plus 20 be the present age of Marla, and we have to consider the future years. The future years is 6 years from now. Future years we're going to add to the present age. The age of Raul is x plus 6 because we're going to add to the present age of Raul, the 6 years. Age of Marla is x plus 20 plus 6 equals to x plus 26. So we're going to simplify or equivalent to x plus 26 now, the age of Marla and the future years. And we have also to consider the other relationship is stated in the problem that Marla age will be twice Raul age. Okay, so our Marla equals to 2, the sum of x and 6. Okay, our equation now is x plus 26 equals 2x plus 6, and we're going to solve it. Becomes x plus 26 plus, we will use the distributive property, 2 times x equals 2x, and 2 times 6 equals 12. Then we're going to transpose the variable to the left side of the equation and the constant to the right side of the equation. Now we're going to transpose 2x to the left side. It becomes now x negative 2x equals, bring down 12, then 26 transpose to the right side of the equation becomes negative 26, and we're going to simplify now. X minus 2x equals negative x, then 12 minus 26 equals negative 24. Then since negative x, we don't have a negative x in our final answer, we're going to divide it by negative 1, both sides. So negative x divided by negative 1 equals to x, and negative 14 divided by negative 1 equals positive 14. Let us check. The age of Raul 6 years from now is 20 because the present age of Raul is 14 plus 6 years, so it becomes 20. The age of Marla 6 years from now is 40 because the present age of Marla is 14 plus 20 equals 34, then plus 6 years equals 40. Okay, we have another problem. Number 8. 2 years ago, Larry was 3 times as old as his sister, Carla. In 5 years, he will be only twice his sister's age. Find the present age. If we're going to analyze the problem asking for the present age of the sisters, Carla and Larry. Our solution is start with the representation. We're going to assume that x be the present age of Carla and 3x be the present age of Larry. Okay, and then we have to consider also stated in the problem the past years. The past years stated that 2 years ago. So when we encountered past years, we're going to minus this to the present age of Carla. That's why age of Carla is x minus 2. And age of Larry is 3x minus 2. And there is also another to consider is the future years. When we see future years, 5 years from now, it belongs to future years. So this will be added to the present age of Carla. That's why the age of Carla is x minus 2 plus 5, and we're going to simplify it, becomes x plus 3. Then age of Larry is 3x minus 2 plus 5, so we're going to simplify it, becomes 3x plus 3. Okay, other relationship we have to consider again from the problem stated that Larry is double the age of Carla. So therefore, in our equation, Larry equals 2 times the sum of x plus 3, which is the age of Carla. And our equation now, based on the other relationship, is already stated. So we can have this now, the real equation. Larry is 2 times the sum of x plus 3, and our real equation now is 3x plus 3 equals 2 times the sum of x plus 3. So, okay, to solve the equation, we have to copy the 3x plus 3 equals, multiply 2 times 6 equals 2x, and 2 times 3 equals 6. And next, we're going to transpose the 2x to the left side of the equation and the constant at the left side to the right side of the equation. And now we have 3x negative 2x equals 6 minus 3, because positive then change to negative. Then 3x minus 2x equals x, and 6 minus 3 equals 3. If we're going to check, present age of Carla is 3 years old, and present age of Larry is 9 years old. It came from 3x, so the value of x is 3. 3 times 3 equals 9. Complex fractions. Elementary. Okay, the first given is 5 over 8 divided by 6. Our solution, 5 over 8 equals, denominator is 6, we're going to put 1, so it becomes 6 divided 1. And then, the first fraction at the numerator, we're going to copy 5 over 8, then times, when we use the multiplication symbol, we're going to reciprocal the 6 over 1. What is the reciprocal of 6 over 1? It should be 1 over 6. And then horizontal multiplication, 5 times 1 equals 5, 8 times 6 equals 48. And then next step is to reduce the fraction, but this time 5 over 48 cannot be divided by 2, so therefore 5 over 48 is our final answer. Is already in simplest form. Okay, next number, 3 over 5 divided by 8 over 6. A solution, we have to copy first the numerator, which is fraction also, 3 over 5, then times, since we're using the symbol of multiplication, we're going to write the reciprocal of 8 over 6. The reciprocal of 8 over 6 is 6 over 8. And after that, we're going to multiply horizontally. 3 times 6 equals 18. 5 times 8 equals 40. Then, we're going to reduce the fraction. So, we're going to divide 18 by 2 and 40 by 2. So, 18 divided by 2 equals 9. 40 divided by 2 is 20. Since 9 cannot be divided by 2, so therefore this is our final answer, and 9 over 20 is in the simplest form of fraction. Okay, next, number 3. The given complex fraction 1 plus 3 over 5 divided by 2 minus 2 over 4. Our solution, we have to copy again, 1 plus 3 over 5 over 2 minus 2 over 4 equals. So since the numerator is a very complicated, so we are going to multiply 5 times 1 was 5, then plus 3 over 5. The next, the denominator is very complicated, so we have to do 4 times 2 equals 8, then minus 2 divided by 4 equals, we're going to simplify. 5 plus 3 equals 8 over 5, Then 8 minus 2 equals 6 over 4. We can observe that the fraction now at the numerator and at the numerator is in a single fraction. It's about time now to apply the reciprocal method. So the first fraction, the numerator, we're going to copy 8 over 5 times. Since we're using multiplication symbol, we're going to find the reciprocal of 6 over 4. What is the reciprocal of 6 over 4? So the reciprocal of 6 over 4 is 4 over 6. Then we're going to multiply horizontally. 8 times 4 equals 32. 5 times 6 equals 30. Then we're going to reduce the fraction by dividing by 2 both numerator and denominator. So 32 divided by 2 equals 16. 30 divided by 2 equals 15. Or our answer is 1 and 1, 15.